So I'm sitting here in the red 66, enjoying my new roll bar. It's hard to see, everything's black in here, but I got it pretty well put together, nice and clean down there. And then I got my shoulder straps in, my Ron Loomis roll bar. It's cool. Now I got the ability to have some shoulder straps in here and strap on. I don't even know if these things buckle up well. Once I'm in place with it, we'll see how it goes. Nice and cozy in here. Then I'll be able to shift through the gears. Bang, 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 bang! Bang, 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 bang! Maybe I'll show you a little bit about how I do the staging lane. So this is how you will use this. We roll up to the staging lane. This plugs in. This is for this is a Winx whammy bar, and as you can see, the end is capped off here. So when you pull it back, it's literally pushing the button on the e-brake. So what we do is, well, when it goes back, then you set it in place like this. This sets it and puts a little, I have a little dimple made in there now. You tighten it down. Now it's in place. Now the e-brake is literally with the button pressed at all times. Like this, right? So you roll up to the starting line, push your foot on the clutch. You don't have to worry about the brake anymore because you're e-braking it. You're slowly getting up to the line. And the nice thing is that this is angled upwards. So you're not having to reach down further for the e-brake. You're up at a little nice little angle here. And this is my two-step. I push the button. It goes on the two-step. Right now the two-step set at 6,800 RPMs. I hit the button. I'm at the gas. I lift it up. Bam! Drop it. And that's how we play with our Winx whammy bar. Hey guys, we're coming to you. It's Tuesday.
Tuesday, yeah.
Crazy cold outside. It dropped down to like 30. In fact, they're shutting the whole place down.
Yeah.
So we wanted to make sure that we did the giveaway for Seaside, but we're also going to give away $100 store credit to All Metric Garage. That gets you like, what does that get you?
It gets you like a bunch of shirts,
a bunch of shirts, 4
flag,
shirts. You can buy a flag and a hoodie and a shirt. I'm sure you can do that.
I do all kinds of stuff.
All you got to do is there's a whole string of stuff we want you to do.
Okay. First thing you got to do, go to All Metric Garage and buy the new sticker pack that's coming out. That's going to come out with, it's going to include an All Metric sticker. It's going to have a VW Life Beetle sticker, a split window, a bay window, and the brand new one that's coming out, the convertible GHIA sticker. We'll show you that here in a second.
Woo, convertible GHIA in the house. We're making that happen.
Second thing you got to do, like both VW Life on Instagram and All Metric Garage and tag 2 friends. And
I'm going to go back and I'm going to check everybody too.
Yeah, he's going to be doing all this. I'm not.
Actually, we should make Gary do something.
Yeah, he should.
Yeah, right.
Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to VW Live YouTube. That's all. Another one we're going to be checking. And also comment down below. Doesn't matter what you say. You can say sticker pack or whatever. It don't matter. Just say something.
Yeah.
Tell us about your car. I don't know.
So here's the deal, really. We made it to 41,000 subscribers for this year, which has been, we started in 2018.
Yes, I believe so.
The November of 2018 is when we started because we gave away, we raffled off the Harvest Beetle.
The Harvest Beetle. Here we go.
Yeah, so that was a long process. So what we want to do is we want to try to see if we can jump these numbers up a little bit more. And how do we do that is give stuff away. Everybody loves to give stuff away. So let's do that. We're going to give away $100 store credit, but there's a whole string of stuff you got to do. And we listed that out, and I'm actually going to put it in writing so that you guys can follow along. But on top of that, a few episodes ago when Martin was reviewing Jesco, we said we were going to give away a Seaside shirt and a little sticker pack, which we do have already. And this shirt is this shirt right here. It's an extra large. Hopefully you fit in an extra large. If you don't, you got to suck it in. And if it's too big for you, well,
eat more.
You can wear it.
Get accomplished lunch some more.
Accomplished lunch. Hey, and if you win the $100, you can buy an accomplished lunch t-shirt. So what we do is we're going to go on this randomizer that we have set up here, and we go to Jesco, share, we copy this. This is the link. This is where we gave it away. We paste it in here, and we fetch it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go with the keyword filter. And we ask you guys to say Seaside, anything about Seaside, but some people wrote C, and then some people wrote side, and some people put Seaside together. So we'll just put C, and that should pull us up more than a fine. Let's see how many people said something. Ooh, 60 comments said C, and we'll pick a winner.
The winner is DB.
D and B.
Yeah.
If this is you, DB, nobody likes your name. You have no hearts likes. And I wish I could do that. I can't make any hearts.
Click on his.
No, I can't. I'll go over there. I'll give you a like, DB. So what you do if you're watching this, DB, get with us. Send us a message.
I will message you underneath your thing too.
Yeah, we'll message you. Make
comment
sure
underneath your comment.
Yeah, and if not, we'll do a follow-up one. Make sure somebody gets something for free. And then so DB won a shirt and a little sticker pack, and I'm gonna mail that out. Then when you guys buy the new sticker pack, like and subscribe on YouTube, and then also go to all those Instagram stuff that Martin was bringing. He was just making up stuff.
I'm gonna make you work for $100. Can't just give it away for nothing.
We are gonna give away a $100 gift. And then we'll also cover shipping on that also. We're going to get crazy with this stuff to make it happen.
Cool.
So let us know. We like it.
And we got one more thing.
What else do we have?
We got some new art coming out. Everybody was asking for it when the bay window came out. So now, starting when this video drops, we got GHIA merch. So it's GHIA convertible. I don't know if it's early or late. I don't remember. But we're going to have stickers, hoodies, shirts, long sleeves.
Everything
flags,
that we have for Beatles,
everything
buses, and Gitas, we're going to do, or Beatles, buses, and bay windows, we're going to do, it's got a GHIA artwork on it now. So get your GHIA where all your VW Life apparel is at.
All those GHIA people out there. Cool. Okay. So with the 41,000 subscribers, we'd like to thank a couple of the people that are following us and that tag us in photos. So you might get featured on VW Live. Tag us in photos on Instagram, Facebook, we're on all that stuff. So
I like to share it, make sure everybody is getting a little. Everybody loves to see their, hey, that's me up there on the camera. So we have a couple that we're going to put up here, like Clive the Bus was showing off his bay window long sleeve that he picked up. James Grill had a flag flying high. That was at
Buses on the Bridge.
Buses by the Bridge.
Buses by the Bridge.
Buses by the Bridge. Our friends Matt and Leslie didn't make that. I'm glad they're okay, but they're from Corpus, and their truck took a dive. They got hit from behind. It's pretty bad. So we are glad that they are okay. But back on this, Chris Clift has a Herbie 53 lookalike. Boone Berto has some Muddy Bits, VW Trends, and some other stuff. And what did I say? Oh, a VW Life sticker up there in the corner. I dig it. This guy was from Japan. He sent us something. I'm not going to say the name.
He's not going to say that name.
Oh, come on, dude. Shikahako Takanaga. Yeah, we're from Texas. This stuff doesn't work out very well for us. Yeah. And then Steve Emerson sent us a picture of his cars that are all nestled sweet and cozy in his... Basically, that's sort of like yours, huh? Yeah. It's got a roll-up door over there.
It's got power, though.
He does have power.
We need that building.
Yeah. Steve Emerson, we're coming to borrow your building, so.
Yep.
Awesome.
Well, cool. Yeah.
All right, thanks, guys.